Hello there, from Gemalto, speaking Ellie, talking about Sentinel EMS Enterprise and about the product creation and management inside this Sentinel EMS Enterprise. Now let me show you, we are in the catalog product, and over here, first of all, you can see that if there is an orange one, this means that it hasn't been yet deployed and used. And you are able, if it hasn't been displayed or it hasn't been deployed or used, therefore you are able to delete it. Let's delete it, maybe. Deleted. However, a product that it is already occupied in use, in the green one here in the status, this means that you cannot delete it. You can decide that that's it. This one is in end of life. Successfully changed the lifetime, and therefore it will be marked here as end of life. So you will not be able to use it anymore because it's end of the life. However, since something can come up and become once again in a live or in a starting mode, therefore you can complete it and revive it to be live again, so you can be working with it. Now, how do you create a new product? As we said, first of all, you have to have a namespace definition. Then you have to define the license model, or maybe use the current license model. If you want to have product suites, it's something that can be done later on, but it's not a must. And then you create a feature, and the feature already has a license model linked to it. So the feature and the license model are together. And then the product needs to be defined, and product can have one feature or more than one feature, several ones. So let's get started by creating a new product. I click new, and then I get the page for adding a product. First of all, namespace. This product belongs to which namespace? Let's go to security products. Product name, let's call it just a dummy name. References, I can add reference 1 and 2 for using later on by CRM, etc. Version is marked with asterisk. That means that I have to provide version, and the version will be part of the name of the product. External ID if I need once again to connect to some other methods or some other functionalities to be used later. Activation method, there is another video if you want to see what are the differences that you can choose here, the optional SAOT, fixed, partial, full, and unlimited. Please watch another video about it. Description I can add here. And then the most important thing, any product has at least one feature. I can add the feature into the product. Now, the feature by default is excludable, meaning that you can take it out during the next phase, which is entitlement. After having the product, I can go to the entitlement, and over there I can exclude this feature if I want. Fixed is also marked as as default as checked, and this means that the license model is that, and you will not be able to choose it. You can choose whether you want it to be default, yes or not. For instance, let's add another one, and here we can see 2. two features, and I can decide, let's say, that this feature is the default one and this one is not. That's about it. I can save it, successfully save the data, and now this product, the name is the name plus the version always, and the status in orange, meaning that it has not been yet working. And as a matter of fact, I cannot work with it until I complete it. Once I complete it, it becomes green, and now I can work with this product. Let me show you, for instance, how later on this product will be used. When I go to entitlement, one of the things that I have new entitlement is to add a product, and I'm going to see my product added into the list. And over here you can see that I'm able to provide details about this product and continue. Let's just make it like an example. Just to show it afterwards, and now I have the product here. I can see details about which are the features that are included inside this product. I see that there's this feature. As you can see, this feature was the default one. This is one. This is why it is here. I can go to edit, and over here you'll be able to see that there were two features. However, the default is this one. I can change it if I want. I can switch on this one if I want, etc. But all these kind of things are done later on in the entitlement phase. But what I wanted to show here is not the entitlement, the fact that we use it afterwards, but the fact that the product has definitions of features and license models that are added inside them. Thank you for watching.